Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Abdul Hanan and you are watching Study Wali class. Students, in this lecture we are going to study the remaining portion of monosaccharides, and also we are studying the glucose as an example of monosaccharides. So the first of all, it is my request to please like, comment and share my videos, and also subscribe to my channel Study Wali class and press the bell icon for the future notifications. So the first of all, the remaining portion of the monosaccharides. So the monosaccharides in a solution or the ring form. So the most of the monosaccharides form a ring structure when in a solution. Okay, when the monosaccharides are present in a solution form, they form the ring forms. Okay, they are present in the ring structure. Okay, for example, the ribose, which is the 5 carbon monosaccharide, will form a 5 corner ring which is known as ribofuranose. Okay, and the glucose, which is the 6 carbon containing monosaccharide, it will form the 6 corner ring known as the glucopyranose. Okay, so that's why the monosaccharides, when they are present in a solution, they form the ring structures. The next is the glucose, that is an example of the monosaccharide. So the first point, the photosynthesis, which is also known as the glucose production. So the green plants take the CO2 from the air, and also they take the H2O from the soil to make the glucose. Okay, the energy is consumed in this process, which is provided by the sunlight. So the energy that is used in this process is provided by the sunlight. So therefore, that is why, because in this process the glucose is produced, that is the synthesis, glucose is synthesized in this process under the sunlight, which is the form of energy. So that's why this process is called as the photosynthesis, so the chemical reaction of the photosynthesis is that the 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 12 molecules of water, in the presence of the chlorophyll and the sunlight, they produce glucose, that is C6H12O6 plus 6 molecules of O2 and plus 6 molecules of H2O. Okay, and for the synthesis of the 10 gram of glucose, 717.6 kilocalories of solar energy is used. That is very important information, that for only the 10 gram of glucose we are required the 717.6 kilocalories of solar energy, which is the requirement in this case. Okay, so the next point is that this energy is stored in the glucose, and okay, so this energy is stored in the glucose in the form of potential energy, and is available to organisms when it is oxidized in the body cells. That is called the process which is included in the oxidation of the glucose, we call the respiration. Okay, so the next point is that the glucose in the free state. In a free state, glucose is present in all fruits. Okay, and it is abundant in the grapes, figs and the dates. The next point is that the glucose in the combined state. In the combined state, it is present in many disaccharides. So the disaccharides, for example, maltose, and the polysaccharides, for example, glycogen. So in this type of sugars, the carbohydrates, the glucose is present in a combined state. Okay, and then the next one is the glucose in the blood. So our blood normally contains 0.08% of the glucose. Okay, so the next point is that the glucose from the complex carbohydrates, it means that in the complex carbohydrates like the starch, cellulose and the glycogen, we can obtain the glucose from these complex carbohydrates by the process which is called hydrolysis. So by the hydrolysis we can produce the glucose from the complex carbohydrates. So it is my request to comment, share and like to my videos, and also subscribe to my channel Study Wali class and press the bell icon for the future notifications, and take care of yourself and the family members. Allah Hafiz.